So you think tofu is boring? Give me a few minutes and I'll change your mind. Today we're making a simple but incredibly satisfying puffed tofu stir-fry with bok choy and shiitake mushrooms. This is a completely meatless dish, but thanks to the protein, rich tofu and savory mushrooms, it's hearty enough to be the star of the meal. This fried or puffed tofu is available at your Asian supermarket. You can modify and adapt with other tofu brands, but this one, it's different. The preparation of the tofu is simple but essential. I place the boiling water into a stainless steel bowl and empty the package of tofu in there. By the way, I'm using half of the package. Submerge, leave them for about 5 minutes and drain. Repeat the process. After this, gently squeeze out all that water from the tofu. Be careful not to mash them or break them. Dry with a paper towel and let them further air dry for about 5 or 10 minutes. In the meantime, you can work on your prep. The next step is to fry them as I did until lightly golden. Test the temperature of the oil, then fry them. Keep in mind not to overcrowd the wok or pan. The bok choy is washed and separated. This will ensure faster cooking time if I kept them in the recipe. As you can see, they've been placed into a hot wok with a little bit of oil and stir-fried with some garlic. One of the best things about puffed tofu is that it acts like a sponge, soaking up all the flavors of the sauce while staying light and tender inside. And now we start on the main dish. Let's saute those green onions. You saw my oil was smoking hot. Garlic goes in, the ginger and the chili. Regulate your heat and do not leave things in the wok standing for too long, especially when it comes to garlic and chopped shallots. They tend to burn very quickly. Shiitake mushrooms go in. These have been rehydrated, meaning they were dried, submerged in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Remove the stems and sliced. Don't forget to wash the dried mushrooms a few times. Then you can save the poaching liquid, or mushroom liquor if you call it that. As you see, I'm using it in this stir fry. There's a lot of flavor here. We need to create a sauce. You're gonna see why very soon. Puffed tofu combined with crisp bok choy, earthy shiitake mushrooms, and a savory sauce. This is the kind of dish that proves that you don't need meat to create something deeply flavorful and satisfying. Now, the bok choy goes in and give that a mix. A little dark soy for color and deep flavor. And with the salt elements from the soy-based sauces, we are going to add in a touch of sugar to bring everything together in balance. At the end, a sprinkle of white pepper works very well in these type of dishes. Freshly ground white pepper. It's quiz time! When using soy-based sauces in stir-fries, what is the most important thing to keep in mind? Why is it a good idea to rinse store-bought pre-fried tofu? Place your answer in the comment section. There you have it. I'll give it a taste. An easy, flavorful, meatless stir-fry featuring puffed tofu, bok choy and shiitake mushrooms. Adding a little bit of my seasoned soy. Check out that video. That's gonna lift all those flavors in balance. Simple ingredients, texture and plenty of protein. No meat, no problem. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to use tofu. I'd love to hear your ideas and experiences. And if you're following along with the 30 Days of Wok series, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a recipe. We're exploring a variety of techniques and ingredients that you can easily recreate at home. Thanks for watching.